Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. And yesterday I had explained in the previous video, Nifty is in top. Okay, Nifty is in previous top level. We can expect a halting here, and as I said, see, as you can see here, it is halted in between here. Market, see, from here it is in uptrend. Okay, here we may get a profit booking. See, here we got a profit booking at the market end sessions, and here you can see it is open negative market and it is in ended with positive sign. As you can see, buyers are still exits here. See what we have to think here. If you open the 15-minute chart, this is Nifty chart. Okay, as you can see, we had drawn a trend line here. It had a break and it is moved inside these trend lines, because this is a support zone. Okay, and here it is a trend line of resistance from previous 1 week, and it opened below this and it is in edging. Okay, it is in uptrend, slightly uptrend. Okay, you can see it is slightly in uptrend. Okay, what we have to discuss, you have observe here, Nifty already is in peak point. Okay, see, it is in peak point. This is 1 point, and it had opened below this close and 1 point. And see, here we may get a profit booking again. It can open the negative market, or else if it is opened, the slide open, and also we can expect a good negative movement from tomorrow. We have to look for selling side. Okay, and I'm not suggesting to buy, sell, or any options and all. I'm just giving the overview of Nifty and Bank Nifty, so that you can get idea about indices completely. And if you open a Bank Nifty here, see, here we have to discuss one important thing. Nifty is in downtrend. See, Nifty closed at below this previous close. Okay, but Bank Nifty, it is in above the previous close. Okay, see if you can observe. But Nifty is somewhat weak than Bank Nifty. In the previous days, Nifty is stronger than Bank Nifty. And if you check Bank Nifty, I'm trying a trend line here. You have to observe this trend line completely like this, and connect these points, and one more trend line downside like this. Here you can see it is in completely uptrend. Let me delete this so that you will get idea. See, it is in completely uptrend. It's like a upside wedge, and you can see it is in corner point of high resistance levels. Tomorrow is a weekend. Tomorrow is a expiry day. Okay, we can expect a downfall from here. Means we can expect a good moves. Okay, but don't take without any plan. Observe where it is opened and wait for the breakout, and then take the positions. See, we have to observe this trend line clearly. Definitely tomorrow is a expiry day. I'm expecting the good move for downfall after this break. Okay, let it open. If it is opened below, if it is opened inside this and break these levels, we can expect a good move with the supporting and levels of see, this is one of supporting level, and this become one of supporting level and all. See, you can see definitely it won't fall completely like this. It will fall from here and hedge for some time and downfall, and hedge for some time and downfall like this. Okay, and this is the Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. And if Bank Nifty opens above this trend line, see this trend line which I am giving red color, this trend line is a resistance point. If market open inside this and breaks this level, we can expect a good move above uptrend. Okay, even Bank Nifty also, if it is opened above these levels, if it is crossed at these levels, drawing the trend line, these levels are very important. Okay, these levels, if it is crossed, we can expect a good move to upside momentum. Or if it is crossed below these levels, we can expect a good move. If it is opened above these levels, Okay, market open above these levels, wait for the price action. If it is open negative below these levels, wait for the price action. And if it is open below this, if it is hedging, if it is had a break either upside or downside, and you can take the position as your trade plan. Okay, this is the levels for Nifty tomorrow. And tomorrow is expiry. I'm expecting good moves either for downside and upside, but I'm still in negative side because we are at a resistance point. We may get a profit booking tomorrow. So many people may book the profits. Just observe the overview of this market in Bank Nifty and Nifty, and wait for the price action. Once it is opened above this trend line, okay, if it is open at these positions, wait for the price action, and this acting like a support. Okay, and if it is the red line open above this line, above this trend line, wait for the price action. Okay, this is the view for Bank Nifty and Nifty tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more.